Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the show. So recently I went to the junkyard, and I can appreciate all kinds of customization, but this one's kind of funny, and I thought you guys would get a kick out of it too. And it fits in with the channel, so I hope you guys like it. Junkyard Gold. Junkyard Gold. Episode 1. Oh shit, you guys! I didn't think the junkyard would be so full of gold. I gotta walk around now and look at more shit. You guys gotta see this. Holy shit! Look at this. Holy shit. Okay, first of all, I have no idea what kind of car this is. What the hell? Oh, it's a Saturn. What is this thing? Did they actually like sell this? Is this factory or is this like added on? This can't be. No, this is some handiwork. Wow, look at that. What the hell is this made out of? Oh, it's foam. Oh, they fiberglassed over foam. This is literally just spray painted foam right here. It's pretty sweet. And what else? Oh shit, you guys! I didn't think the junkyard would be so full of gold. But this is just like out of left field. Like somebody made their own shade for the back of their station wagon. You think they always drove? Like they had like dogs or something, and they always drove like when the sun was setting. Let's see the rest of the car. Doesn't even look that bad. What is this thing? A Saturn. This has been bedliner too. What the hell is it with people in bedliner? Why are all the bedliner cars go to the junkyard? This isn't even metal. I think this is plastic. Why the hell did they bedliner the plastic? Or whatever this shit is. It doesn't even make sense. You don't even need to paint it. I don't know. A dent and nip. Oh! Holy shit. Look at this. No way. I give this dude serious credit. Did they make this whole thing? I think they might have made this whole thing. They did, with spray foam. Look at that. And then they fiberglassed it. Wow. This is a custom machine right here.